Left cigar. What? I didn't do it. Whatever it is, I didn't do it.
Those are the ones they got for Christmas from the Harmons. Yeah, but it's better to do it at night, but you can throw one in there now and just see. It's like the Northern Lights.
Yeah. That was really cool.
Isn't that cool?
How long did they last, man?
A couple minutes.
Couple minutes.
So get your fill.
Oh, you can see it.
Another show and a half.
It's real cool at nighttime, at dark, when it's dark.
Roman Pollock.
Anybody feeling some T-Swift?
Yes.
No, I don't like her new song. They're awful.
Oh, no,
awful.
don't. Okay,
don't play it, her new
don't
one.
Don't play her new song.
What you made me do?
Yeah, I hate that.
What you made me do. The old Taylor can't come to the film because
She's dead. We listened to that yesterday in the car on the way home.
Okay, let's do anybody.
Bippity boppity. Yeah, you gotta get me.
Am I on camera yet? Alright, I'm the best DJ around. I don't know who that Jonathan guy, he can't DJ. Sorry, not sorry, this is good DJing. Wait till you see the songs later. I got a good playlist for you coming up later, alright?
Oh yeah, it's an update.
Sing. Start singing.
Happy birthday to you.
You do? I watch it every day. I don't watch it. I mean, even though, you know, it's just like a little kind of hobby kind of
It's
thing.
only 100,000.
That's still a lot of people. Still, that's a lot. How did you?
My back. Thomas, we think my play button. John, we think my play button.
Hey, can you give me a game, please?
It's conspiracy. John, we think my play button. Okay, guys, that was my birthday for today. Ended up turning into a celebration, celebrating my 100,000 award achievement, which everyone was shocked because not many people know about that. I even do that kind of stuff, so I guess everyone does now. So, fun day. Nice to see everybody again. Next time I'll be back will be Thanksgiving weekend, so a couple weeks away. When you think about it, that's not really that far away at all. A couple weeks a month, but that's not really that far away. Time is just gonna fly now, especially now we're getting even closer to finals. This is flying by. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching.